Hi, I'm Allison.
And I'm Kayla.
Today we will be conducting an experiment called Dragon's Breath.
The materials we will be using are a meter stick with a candle taped to the end like so, matches, and 2 spray bottles, one containing lithium chloride
and one containing magnesium chloride. Now we will go ahead and start the experiment.
I will now hold the meter stick an arm's length away while Allison lights the candle and prepares the bottle containing lithium chloride.
Now I will stand 4 to 6 inches away and spray the lithium chloride solution. As you can see, this produces a red flame. Now I'll repeat the same procedure with the magnesium chloride. There's a pinkish orange flame that you'll see. So it's not red like lithium.
The 2 reactions you just observed were a result of the combustion of ethanol. And as you can see, this is the equation of the combustion of ethanol. You have the ethanol burning in the presence of oxygen, and then you have the result of a gas form of carbon dioxide and H2O that are being emitted. This reaction occurred because when lithium and magnesium are burned, the thermal energy raised the electrons in the metal atom to a high energy state. However, because electrons cannot remain in this state for long periods of time, energy is emitted in the form of light. By doing this, the electrons are able to return to their ground state.
And according to sci-fun.edu, the color produced is related to the amount of energy being released, which is then characterized as the wavelength of light. So shorter wavelengths have higher energies, and lower wavelengths have lower energies. So colors such as violets and blues will have shorter wavelengths, meaning they have higher energy, and colors such as red and oranges have longer wavelengths with lower energies. So the experiment tells us that lithium chloride has lower energy than magnesium chloride because the wavelength is longer.
The experiment of Dragon's Breath can relate to real-world applications in several ways. For example, in the medical field, lithium-ion batteries can be used with machines, and they can also be a power source for different instruments that can be used. And this was noted by chemteacher.org. Lithium can also be used in the treatment of manic depression, otherwise known as bipolar disorder. For those of you who are not familiar with bipolar disorder, according to WebMD, this is a complex mood disorder that involves sudden changes in the mood. This can vary in a wide range of severity between mild and extreme cases. According to Science Clarified, doctors are unsure as to how lithium seems to work in those with bipolar disorder, but many people seem to react well with this treatment.
Magnesium is also used in the real world as an antacid for heartburn. This was stated by WebMD.com. Here's the description of how the antacid works for heartburn. It combines with the stomach acid, which is it composes it and then it gets rid of it. So that would be like the pain produced in your chest. The stomach acid's like in your esophagus, and so the antacid combines with your stomach acid and gets rid of it.
And this concludes our presentation. We hope you enjoyed.